Hi, iPhone users. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cookies, not the edible kind, but the digital kind that enhance your browsing experience. Whether you want personalized recommendations or a smoother login, we've got you covered. Step 1, open Settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. You'll see it as a gear icon on your home screen. Step 2, navigate to Safari. Scroll down and tap Safari. This is where you will find settings related to your browsing experience. Step 3, Privacy Security. Find the Privacy Security section in Safari Settings. Step 4, Enable Cookies. Look for the option labeled Block All Cookies. Make sure the switch is turned off. By doing this, you allow websites to save and read cookie data on your iPhone. Feel free to adjust the features to suit your usage style. Remember, cookies make the internet a little sweeter. Thank you for watching, liking and subscribing to support us.